Toyota MMT robot. And what the problem? This car that was driving only reverse and not driving forward, and that it can't calibrate without this stopper. It only calibrating with this stopper. If I remove it, it's not calibrating. And what happens? It working, okay, no trouble code, okay, blah blah blah. No, it was some code, but it working. It drive. You drive, and when you stop, you go back, you start the car, you engage the E, it neutral flashing, it not engaging, but you turn off ignition, turn on again, and it not start. Like it was not in the gear and it's not in the neutral. Like it tried to engage the gear, but no going back to neutral. And when you do in few times switch on and push the brake, it go back to the neutral and the car is start. And what I recognize, look at this, we have the shaft and we have bushing in this area, bushing for the shaft. And look, it has some clearance. To side no, but up and down it has clearance. And it has this bushing inside. This is the brand new. I bought it before. Brand new. This bushing on this and this on the back side here. But this is the used. I removed from gear sector because not selling. We can buy only new that is located in this area here. And I will change it. Yes, I have only 2 bolts. Now I will remove it and we will check. See, much more easy to remove without the sensors. So you see, it's all okay with the shaft. No, it's not worn. You can engage the bolt and to check the clearance. Okay, let's check the bush. If it's possible. So I don't think that it's bashing not good. No, little, yes, it's little worn, but not a lot. Very, very small. I also little cut at this dimension. Maybe it some stuck in some place. Okay, I will install then brand new. We will see. Yeah. So I have a good difference. It's no clearance. It's not plain. No clearance. Very good. All done. Now I will do calibration. It was not calibrating the gearbox without this stopper. And if it now will calibrate it, so it's the win. Hey, yo, man. Hey, Yosich. Now first need to check if no codes. Yes, no codes. All good. Now I can do calibration. Woo! Yeah! Да! Yes! I have the difference. Before it was not doing calibrating in like this, without this. So the problem was the bushing. Done, all working, perfect. And you see, the gearbox must be calibrating with stopper or without stopper. This gearbox was not calibrated without stopper, and I thought that is something wrong. And you see, the bushing was wrong, different, little different, but it make that it's not working good. Yeah, so if you have situations that the gearbox not calibrated without the stopper, change the bushing. Oppa. Possible to order it, no problem. I ordered, I have, if you want, if you need. Yes, I can also give the spare part number. So that's all story about this car. Yeah, it was very good repair. Yeah, I did it. No, few times he came to me until I resolve it. Good luck.